Previously on Risk of Rain 2.
I'm gonna die.
And now, back to your regularly scheduled program.
Hello, welcome back to part 2 of Risk of Rain. Since we're gonna fight here, please. Jade Elephant. Ah, hide behind this. Thank you. The last video you saw how we were gonna just either keep going or I was gonna show you all the boss yet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna hit E on the outside and shift it to where we're gonna keep going. Because if you thought this gets crazy, ooh, it gets even crazier. The main objective now is to open as many crates just so that you can have as many fireworks going, because the fireworks do tons of damage. This is the essence on why having a radar is better than having most other things, because you can at least see what kind of items to get. And that way you're not just running around the map like I am, just trying to see if there's any more chests to be open, because it's very easy to miss a chest or miss a robot or stuff like that if you're just doing this. You see, like over there, like I've been this area, like I passed this area like I think 3 times, and there's one. Weirdly enough, I haven't gotten any gunner drones, and I don't know why that is. Okay, I think it's safe to say I've gotten everything I possibly can. Alright, let's go for it. I hate this one because it's so hard for me and my bots to hit, because it just does that. Oh jeez. I'm just gonna keep spamming shields. That's all I could really hope for. Oh jeez. Put that up, please. Oh, is that the item? Death mark? Enemies with 4 or more debuffs are marked for death, taking bonus damage. That's good. Are you kidding me? I missed this chest right here. Dang. That would be me. Missing the chest that's right here, right in front of you. Soldier syringe too. Man, I don't know how close I am to the 200 mark. Get mined. Die. Yay, it died. Distant Roost. And if you guys heard that noise, that means these guys are here. That's right, the guys that can cancel healing. As if I had any healing anyway. Chrono, Bobble, slow enemies on hit, that's good. Let's check around here, see if there's anything over here. And if I find a looter item, oh, there's one. Alright. So, so I just gave a brief explanation. So if you go up to this and donate to the lunar altar, it'll say a blue orb appears. So when you do the teleporter event, and if you complete it, a blue portal will appear, and it'll take you to this dimension where you can like buy more lunar items. It's pretty okay.
It's time to play How Many Times Do I Pay the Shrine for an Item?
Warm banner again. Not ideal, but okay. Dang, that dude's just taking a ton of punishment. Okay, looks like he died. Oh, let's go. ATG attack missile Mark 1. There's a gunner drone? Wow, my first gunner drone of the day. Oh, bustling fungus, yes. Bustling fungus for this character is really good because whatever, if you guys haven't noticed yet, whatever I get, like whatever item I get, goes to my turrets as well. So my turrets get the same items I do. And that Bustling Fungus, because it only heals you if you stand still, and my turrets can't move. Big brain move. You get infinite heals if you stay next to your turrets. Do this. And this. Oh, great, these dudes. Please, do as much damage as you can. Alright, the shield's down, the shield's down. Plant the shield. Oh my days, my screen is shaking like crazy. Jeez, I forget how much this game likes to shake your screen. It's very off-putting. Wait, that's right, over here. I do apologize if it is a little long. I'm still trying to get used to what I want to do as for video type situations. If I want to do focus more on gameplay or focus more on quote-unquote funny-ish moments. I'm still figuring that out. It's over here that you can buy. The problem is, I don't know which are good and which are bad. I can refresh the shop. And that's no. Don't know. Can I refresh the shop again? Here, just for the sake of the video, I'll get this one. Mercurial Ricus. Randomly create a ward of power. All characters deal bonus damage while in the radius. So in that type of sense, it's going to be spawning this right here. While you're in it, everything that's in it with you does bonus damage, but that also goes for like monsters and such. And in this case, my turrets. That's a lot of big guys. Oh boy. Ooh, get away from him. Ow! Now a lot of drones die in later levels. Just rapid fire, rapid fire, rapid fire, rapid fire. Alright. Oh, stay away from that. I feel like I'm missing some drones. Activate you, activate you. Request a healing soda machine. That's good. Because the soda healing machine, it's literally a vending machine that gives you like healing sodas. It's really cool. I'll show you guys in a minute. Let's go over here actually. Roll of pennies. Alright, gain gold by taking damage. That's always good. More fireworks. You could always do some more fireworks. Oh boy. Whee! Ow. Get out of here! Oh, interstellar plant, desk plant? Plant a healing fruit on kill. That's good. Gain this, and I'm gonna prepare for war. Oh, I didn't mean it like this. Q! Wow. Oh my. Seizure. I should put a seizure warning at the very beginning of the video because oh my days. Pew! The sodas are pretty cheap too. So it's always good to just grab one. Or at least when you're on low health. Oh, alright, soda machine. It's weird, I never really spawn on this side. Well, it's the first time for everything. Jesus. This will, there's a, man, I can't talk. So this chest right here, like you could choose what you want out of it. That's disgusting, but you can choose that comes out of it. It's kind of like a, oh, if you get it, you can, like if you press E on it quick enough, you can get this item. I kind of just let it go until it pops out because I don't want to rely on myself trying to get an item. Medkit, you can never have too much heals.
Nothing interesting happened, so here's the boss fight.
Yeah, run! Oh, jeez. Run! Oh, my days. I don't know how they died. Oh, the gummy engineer turrets are still here. Yay. Oh, thank you. Dang, well, glad to know that this thing died. I really should have kept that gummy. I don't know what I was thinking. Ow. We're leaving, right? Oh, this place. Yeesh, this should be fun with all these canceling of heals. Yep, there's the drone just flying. Well, I used to know the one with the Thunderstrike is still alive. That's good. You. Oh, a Hopo Feather, let's go. This gives me an extra jump. That's with your glasses, that's good. Whoa, I thought I was gonna fall. Oh, Paul's goat hoof, I can move faster. That's always good. Oh, what? Oh my goodness, I guess all my fireworks just found all the eggs and spawned the boss on its own. Well, alright. Okay. Let's go over here. Backup magazine, that's always good. Haha. Let's see if my grenades can hit him. Oh yeah, yeah. Just spam. Oh! Forgot that was the thing. Yep, yep, yep. Oh, run! And I'm dead? No way. Yeah, that's what I mean by the engineer. He's good on his own, but it's just on the later rounds, you would like. I guess his primary fire isn't that great. I have these two things, but I feel like the shield is a lot more use than thermal harpoons. At least in my opinion, because at least this one, it gives you a chance to just heal up. This one, it requires you to like deal as much damage as possible before you die. If you guys want, I could do like a playthrough of just me trying out different characters. But I would say Engineer's my favorite. But like I said, he's kind of just like, he's okay on his own, but he would require someone else to help him out on the later levels. At least in my opinion. So that's going to be it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed. Please leave a like, share this video, comment down below whatever you guys want me to do. And as always, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.